Hey everyone, my name is Jayho. I'm the president of CMAS this year, and I'm going to my third year of Aerospace Engineering, Electronics, and Systems.
Hi everyone, my name is Gilles. I'm going into my third year of Aerospace, Aerodynamics, Propulsion, and Vehicle Performance, and I am the Vice President External of CMAS.
I'm Parker. I'm going into my third year of Space Systems Design, and I'm the Vice President Internal of CMAS.
Carleton Mechanical and Aerospace Society is an academic society for the students in the Department of Mechanical or Aerospace Engineering.
Throughout the year, we will be hosting academic, professional, and casual events such as workshops, networking opportunities, and competitions.
We will be hiring first representatives from the Department of Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering. So this is Aerospace Engineering, Mechanical, Biomed Mechanical, or SRE B. And your role will be to represent the your first year engineering class in your department to the rest of CMAS. And more details about this position can be found on the CMAS website or on our social medias.
All right, thank you for watching. Feel free to follow us on our social media, and see you in the fall.